Last break of the night, and it is going to be a brand new series from Gold Rush. It is Sensational Signatures Autograph Bat Series 2. So I'm really looking forward to breaking some of these boxes. I've got 3 cases of this that we're going to be doing. So I'm hoping to pull some huge names. It's guys like Mickey Mantle, Ted Williams. You've got Mike Trout. I mean, just a ton of huge names. So this should be a lot of fun. So here is the rundown of the teams in this one. Brendan has got the Tigers. David with the Orioles. George had picked up a ton of teams. You've got the Braves, the White Sox, the Astros, the Angels, the Marlins, the Brewers, the Twins, Yankees, A's, Phillies, Pirates, Padres, Mariners, Cardinals, Rays, Rangers, Blue Jays, and Nationals. So George, good luck, man. Jeff C's got the Cubs. John H with the Diamondbacks. Sean's got the Giants. Seth K with the Red Sox, the Dodgers, and the Mets. And then Travis, you've got the Reds, the Indians, and the Royals. All right. So sealed up there on the top. Got the Gold Rush tape on the bottom as well. All right, let's see if we can start strong. All right, there's a name that I don't know, and it says most hits in the 90s World Series champ, 01 World Series champ, taking care of business. Any guesses on that? Four-time Gold Glove. Who would that be? So it is JSA certified. Most hits from the 90s, 01 World Series champs, which would have been, who was that? Was that Arizona? Who won the World Series? 2001 World Series was Arizona, right? 4-time Gold Glove. Who the heck would this be? All right, he's saying Mark Grace. Let's see if we can get a name on the bottom of this. Perfect. So we'll have to look it up. There's no name listed. It's not going to be fun if we're going to have to figure this out on our own. All right, let's double check and make sure. Let's see if Jordan's right. So JSA certified V95348. Dude. All right, props to Jordan, man. You nailed it. Mark Grace. 4-time Gold Glove, most hits in the 90s, 01 World Series champs, taking care of business. So it is going to be length of service. He's not a Hall of Famer, which should be the Cubs. Yeah, so that's going to be the Cubs. Based on length of service. So Jeff C., that is you, man. So congratulations on the Mark Grace. Not a bad way to start out. So we will get that bat in the mail to you tomorrow. And appreciate you guys joining us on the first of many Gold Rush autograph bat breaks. So go check out the next one. Those team auctions are online now. They'll end Saturday. We'll break it here next Sunday.